From 5G to 6G, communications are evolving to even higher frequency bands. However, as frequencies become higher, radio wave attenuation increases. This makes transmission loss a more critical issue than ever before. Murata Manufacturing's ULTICIRC LCP flexible substrate addresses this issue. ULTICIRC realizes outstanding high-frequency characteristics and ultra-low loss by incorporating a unique inner cavity within the substrate. It supports even faster communications, including 6G. Furthermore, it provides stable performance and high reliability through high air tightness and low moisture absorption. ULTICIRC has unique inner cavity structure within the substrate and utilizes air as an ultra-low dielectric material. ULTICIRC has realized an effective dielectric constant of less than dK 2.0 by inner cavity. This enables the smoother transmission of high-frequency signals. ULTICIRC delivers the outstanding high-frequency characteristics required for high-speed and high-capacity communications. ULTICIRC's inner cavity significantly reduces transmission loss by lowering the dielectric constant. Compared to conventional structures, ULTICIRC also greatly improves insertion loss, which indicates the amount of signal attenuation and thereby reduces signal degradation. As a result, ULTICIRC has realized both thinner high-frequency flexible substrates and ultra-low loss. As devices become smaller and thinner, wiring becomes thinner and longer. This further increases the impact of transmission loss. ULTICIRC solves this issue to contribute to the miniaturization and thinning of devices. ULTICIRC realizes high air tightness through its low moisture absorbing LCP material, inner cavity, and adhesive-free lamination technology. This reduces the amount of moisture that gets inside. Blistering and characteristic changes are less likely to occur even during the reflow process. This realizes stable mounting quality and high reliability. Murata's ULTICIRC provides outstanding high-frequency characteristics, ultra-low loss, high air tightness, and low moisture absorption. These features enable efficient transmission of signals even in high-frequency bands, such as 6G, and realize the low-loss performance required for next-generation communications.